Welcome to the Huepar channel. We're gonna share with you probably one of our popular laser tools, DT03. It's a very versatile tool for problem solving and making sure your renovation is finished perfectly. Here is the start. Short press on and off button to turn on and off the laser unit. The power indicator LED will light up in red. Horizontal line and self-leveling mode turn on by default after powering on. When the battery is low, the LEDs will blink together rapidly. Turn on the laser unit. The automatic sensor is now activated, and the laser unit will level automatically. The indicator LED flashes rapidly during the leveling adjustment. Once the leveling adjustment is completed, the indicator LED will be on constantly. Maximum accuracy is attained when self-leveling is completed. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds until the tittle function LED flashes rapidly. Position the laser unit at various angles. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds until the tittle function LED lights off, or short press the button to turn off the laser unit and power on again. It will return to the self-leveling mode.
After turning on the laser unit, press and hold the button for greater than or equal to 3 seconds to enter the tilt function mode and the X-axis adjustment mode. In the tilt function mode, or the X-axis adjustment mode, the tilt function LED will flash rapidly.
Keep pressing and holding the H or V button to adjust the slope. When the laser blink, the maximum slope range 3.5 degrees has been reached.
In the tilt function mode, or the X-axis adjustment mode, short press the button, switch to the Y-axis adjustment mode. The tilt function LED will flash slowly.
Keep pressing and holding the H or V button to adjust the slope. When the laser blink, the maximum slope range 3.5 degrees has been reached.
In self-leveling mode, short press H to switch on off the horizontal line, and short press V to switch vertical lines. In self-leveling mode, short press to turn on off the pulse mode.
The pulse mode LED will be always on in green, and the laser beam becomes dimmer in pulse mode. Step 1. In self-leveling mode, press and hold the button V for 3 seconds until the on and off LED lights off to enter into brightness adjustment. Step 2. Short press the H to enhance the brightness. Short press the V to reduce the brightness. Step 3. Once the brightness is accepted, users can save the change by pressing and holding V for 3 seconds until the on and off LED lights are on again. Now the brightness adjustment function is disabled. Step 4. Now the laser unit can be operated normally under the updated brightness of the laser lines. There are all functions of the DT03. Thanks for your time in watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos and learn how to use this laser level. We're gonna see you guys later.